Welcome. If you're looking to share your post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the new sharing process so you can easily get your content out to friends, followers, or any platform you choose. First, open your web browser and head to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Click on your profile to enter your personal feed. Now, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to share. Once you've located it, look just below your post for the share icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing outward. Give that icon a click to open up the sharing options. A menu will pop up with several choices. Here, you want to select Share Via. This option lets you decide exactly where you want your post to go. Whether you want to copy the link, send it in a message, share via email, or post it to another platform, you're in control. If you choose to copy the link, the URL will be instantly saved to your clipboard. Now just paste it wherever you'd like, maybe in a chat, an email, or on another social media site. If you pick another sharing method, simply follow the prompts to complete the process, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you can share any of your posts on X with anyone, anywhere. This updated method is designed to make sharing quick, flexible, and hassle-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need a hand navigating the new X sharing features. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.